Here we go, OneNGlen back in action. I'm here with Bartle.
Hola.
We're getting ready to replace his keypad for his garage door opener, which is this crappy Mama Jamma.
The original.
The original, he says. We dropped off Super Baby Bartle, and we went to go use the keypad to open up the garage, and this hunk of junk didn't work. So Mr. and Mrs. Bartle finally got themselves a new keypad. What up, Mrs. Bartle? Got themselves a new keypad, so we're getting ready to show you how to do it and change this sucker out. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is take this sucker off the wall. You take this little screw out, the anchoring screw. Take this out. There should be one little screw under there, right here, and then that thing will come right off.
Maggie said she's done with her watch.
All right, and this should just be up on a, yep, just like that. Pulls off. Boom, the old one's off. All right, so now that that thing is off, we are gonna put our new, careful,
I know the code.
code
Back
back up there. So you put the new one on here, and it just slides on like this. You got a screw in the wall.
Hey, we
Got a slot right here,
Dad.
and it just slides down. So it just goes like that. Then this one is going to be a new screw that just goes on the bottom side. So we're going to screw that screw in. All right, now we put the battery in there. Cover goes on. Cush. All right. Now, yeah, no, I got it. So now the important part, what you guys need to know, is the garage must be closed in order to set this. So one person has to be on the outside, one person has to be on the inside.
I have a good deal.
All right, so what you want to do is you want to shut the garage, hit the learn key. So I'm going to go do that.
Okay.
And then Mr. Bartle is going to set his secret code. So when you hear, so I'm going to give you the yay. Let me make sure I can reach it first.
Yay or nay?
Oh, up top there?
Yeah, where's the learn button?
You need a ladder? You can be able to reach?
Yeah, I should be able to reach it. Yeah, I should be on the steps. Oh, yeah. So there's the learn button. Yep. So I'll hit that thing. Then you'll hear me. I'll go. And then you set your key, your pin. It looks like you got to press star and pound together.
Holy shit. Oops. You got me out
They
there.
lost?
No, but it's 7170.
Kentucky?
Yep.
He doesn't even see the flag in those.
Well, I took Kentucky.
Where's the flag?
Kentucky.
Anyway, look at these drip ones though. I spent $20 on these at Target. Look at everywhere to go.
Come out into
On
the, you gotta come.
Dude, go
There
to
you go.
top goggles.
Those are stylish.
I bought them for mine. Did you find it? I had like 15 pairs. You didn't take any more than that. No, I did not. You owe me back.
Kentucky's up by 1.
Mom,
Yes.
you owe me back. Okay, yep.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You owe me back.
UK.
Okay, we're gonna go find Marie. Marie!
You are going to press the star and pound together, so you probably want to shade this thing.
Right.
You're going to hold it until the keypad
Flashes?
stops blinking. Then you're going to put in your 4-digit code, press enter. Press enter the number of the times that corresponds with your garage door opener. So yours is purple, the learn button's purple, so you're going to press it twice, and then you're going to press and release 0. And then you're going to press and release the learn button
Dude, that's
one
a lot.
time on the garage door opener.
How about I hold that up there and you do this?
All right, change the game plan. Mr. Bartle is going to go inside the garage. When I yell to him, he is going to press the learn button. And I'm going to film me doing this, but you're not going to know what the code is. All right, so they block this out because it's got to be, you got to watch it. All right, hang on one second here. Go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do it. So you just follow the instructions on there. It tells you how to do it. We're going to give this thing a whirl with Mr. Bartle and see if it is easier to do on this new keypad or the old keypad. So Mr. Bartle just told me the code. And I already forgot it in like 1 second, so I put in the wrong code. So let me do it again to his new standard here. Let me block this out so I can see when it's beeping. Oh. Oh! Hang on, I pressed too many times. There we go. Alright, new code is set. Seriously, you just follow the instructions. The old keypad, like this, was super worn out and extremely hard to open. So, this new one's going to be way better. Mr. and Mrs. Bartledew, baby Bartledew, super baby Bartledew, probably chiropractor if you're back in town. You guys all be able to use this thing now. Now, we are going to shut the garage, we're going to hide the code, and we're going to see how easy... Actually, you know what? The girls are coming back. We're going to have the girls open it. And we're going to see how easy it is for them to open this garage with this new keypad on here. This is like Christmas in March. Someone's going to come and open the garage door.
I'll do it. So maybe.
All right, stay in, John.
What? Same code?
Yep.
You didn't disclaim.
This is Mrs. Bartledew.
Hello. You didn't disclaim the code, right?
Nope.
Why not?
I did not disclaim the code.
We're doing it right now. Are you
Do
gonna
it.
do the fuzzy things?
What? No, I'm just gonna block it. I'm just gonna.
Nailed
Boom!
it! Oh my goodness, nailed it.
And how much easier was that?
Oh, night and day. Mom,
9
wait.
day.
No, another one you go, Mom, you're like, push harder.
Not this time.
You're like,
Easy.
I'm like, Mom.
Easy peasy.
Where's
Easy,
my junk
easy,
on?
simple, simple.
Marie just tossed me a bag of poop. Thank you, Lover Buns.
With you.
Thank you, bro. You the man. Alright, so that's it today. Installing a new Craftsman garage door opener. Mr. and Mrs. Barlow. Lover Buns is over there, and Halo's over there. UK for the win.
UK won.
See you, YouTubers.
They won.
Did I do it?